Everyone asks to see ice and water vending machine. So we have a customer who provides their stainless steel enclosure for our Raptor 2 vending kit. This particular customer is vending bulk ice and bags of ice. And the third button, I believe, is for water or another application, not quite sure. But in this particular case, we have the first two push buttons are Vend 1 and the second one is Vend 2. Third is open for future. We're going to start with coins as an example. This customer does not want to accept nickels and dimes, only wants to accept quarters. So the nickel and dime will reject, but a quarter will accept. And you'll see it, you drop that quarter in, up on the display, it's incrementing value. We now have $1 on the display. We also have the ability to accept, of course, dollar coins, but also two different tokens. Our customer is vending a $3 bag of ice or a $3 bulk ice with his token. So as you drop the tokens in, you will see they're incrementing. We're up to $7 now on the display. Here's a second token, which is set so you can have two different vend prices. We're now up to $10. And then I'm going to back away from the camera here to let you watch this. We press button number 1 and then we debit the value. You now have $7 remaining. We can go to the second one and also debit the value down to $4. It'll continue making multiple vends of ice or water, bulk ice, what have you, till it gets to less than the vend price. Now, we can add more value at this time by putting a dollar bill in. We're now showing $2, our third dollar. We have $3. This particular vend price is at $3, so we can now press our button and gives us a debit of the $3. Of course, credit card too. So we have a pass card here for credit card for demonstration. So we're able to accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, including the new chip type cards. It goes out wirelessly and then lets us debit or actually credit our value. Notice it's $3. We charge $3 with a credit card, all done wirelessly. And they can make multiple vends. So if you're filling up a big cooler, they can just keep pressing the button, pressing the button, pressing the button, and just fill that cooler up to the very top with their credit card. So you have any combination of credit, debit cards, bills. In this particular case, it accepts 1s and 5s. The customer does not want to accept 10s and 20s. Obviously, it's a $3 vend price. So as it's debiting, it takes off the value each time you press the button. So we're now down to 0 value. Now to give you a little of what's inside the machine, I'm going to take my camera and remove it from the tripod and come around the back of the machine to show you the inner workings. You have your LCD and your Nyack credit card wireless system here, and of course your push buttons, and then our control board sitting up here underneath the Nyack transponder portion. And on the bottom we have a power supply. This is a 5, 12, and 24 volt UL listed power supply, and a humongous cash box that holds your coins. This particular box is manufactured by our customer. All we do is supply the electronics for them. This ends our video.